Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw video from Frame.io review to your local system, complete guide step by step clearly. To withdraw a video from Frame.io review to your local system, start by logging into your Frame.io account. Navigate to the project where your video is stored. Locate the video you wish to withdraw. Click on the video thumbnail to open its review page. Once the video is open, look for the download button. This button is typically represented by a downward-facing arrow. Click on the download button to initiate the download process. If prompted, choose the desired quality or format for your video. After making your selection, confirm your choice to start the download. The video will begin downloading to your designated downloads folder. Monitor the progress of the download to ensure it completes successfully. Once the download is complete, navigate to your Downloads folder. Locate the video file you just downloaded. You can now move the file to your preferred location on your local system. For any issues during the process, check your internet connection. If the download does not start, try refreshing the Frame.io page. Repeat the steps if necessary until the video is successfully downloaded. You are now ready to use the video on your local system. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.